Nasolabial folds are the natural skin creases that run from the sides of the nose to the corners of your mouth. They are sometimes called smile lines or laugh lines because they become more prominent when a person smiles or laughs. Welcome back. I am Adria, your health and lifestyle coach, transforming life naturally. Today we will talk about nasolabial folds. These folds are a normal part of human anatomy and facial expressions, but their depth and visibility can vary with age, genetics, and lifestyle factors. Let's know why nasolabial folds become more noticeable, and let's learn what are the causes of nasolabial folds in detail. Nasolabial folds are caused by a combination of natural and anatomical features, aging processes, and external factors. The structure of your facial bones and distribution of fat can determine how prominent your nasolabial folds are, even from a young age. Individuals with thinner skin may notice more pronounced folds due to less structural support. Aging is the most common cause of deeper nasolabial folds. Loss of collagen and elastin. With age, the skin produces less collagen and elastin, leading to reduced firmness and elasticity. Volume loss in cheeks. Fat pads in the mid-face diminish and shift downwards, creating sagging that accentuates the folds. Skin thinning. The skin becomes thinner and less resilient over time. Gravity pulls the skin downwards, contributing to sagging. Repeated facial expressions, smiling and laughing. Frequent use of facial muscles for expressions like smiling or laughing deepens the lines over time. Habitual movements, daily expressions like and habits can etch the folds more prominently into the skin. Sun damage, radiations, prolonged exposure to the sun accelerates collagen and elastin breakdowns, leading to sagging skin and deeper folds. Photoaging. UV rays cause premature aging, making nasolabial folds appear earlier or more pronounced. Lifestyle factors like smoking reduces blood flow to the skin and damages collagen and elastin. Accelerates skin aging. Poor diets. Diet low in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can impair skin health. Dehydration. Lack of hydration reduces skin plumpness and elasticity. Significant weight loss can cause fat loss in the face, making nasolabial folds more noticeable. Excess weight gain can stretch the skin, contributing to sagging. Inherited facial structure and skin type play a significant role in how early and prominently nasolabial folds develop. Hormonal changes. Menopause. Reduced estrogen levels can lead to decreased collagen production, accelerating the skin aging and fold formation. Environmental factors. Exposure to environmental pollutants can damage the skin and contribute to premature aging. Stress. Chronic stress can weaken the skin barrier and accelerate aging process. To sum up, while nasolabial folds are a natural feature, their prominence can be influenced by aging, lifestyles, genetics, and environmental factors. Taking preventive measures such as using sunscreen, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and incorporating collagen boosting skincare can help reduce their visibility over time. How to prevent or minimize nasolabial folds? It involves maintaining healthy skin and delaying the natural aging processes that contribute to their development. While you can't completely prevent them, adopting good skincare practices, a healthy lifestyle, protect your skin from sun damage, wear sunscreen daily, use at least SPF 30 or higher to protect collagen and prevent premature aging, avoid prolonged sun exposure, wear hats or protective clothing when outdoors. Use antioxidant skincare products with vitamin C, E, or niacinamide can neutralize free radicals from UV damage. Maintain healthy skin with a skincare routine. Cleanse gently. Use a mild cleanser to avoid stripping your skin of natural oils. Moisturize daily. Exfoliate regularly. Gentle exfoliation removes dead skin cells and encourages cell turnover. Eat a collagen boosting food that support collagen production and skin health. Protein, lean meat, fish, eggs, and legumes provide amino acid essential for collagen. Vitamin C rich foods, citrus foods, berries, and bell peppers help synthesize collagen. Zinc and copper found in nuts, seeds, shellfish. These minerals support skin repair. Omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish, walnuts, flax seeds reduce inflammation and improve skin elasticity. That was it, guys. Thank you for supporting. If you love this video, hit like and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you all. Bye.